This is a steamship, and you guessed it, it runs on steam. Steamships are able to move across bodies of water by using steam engines or turbines. A steam turbine is a type of engine that uses steam produced by a boiler. On the other hand, a steam turbine converts kinetic energy into mechanical energy with the help of a rotating rotor. Steamships aren't the only way to travel on the water. Some of them include cruise ships, ferries, tugboats, yachts, hovercrafts, and sailboats. What is the difference between a ship and a boat? 3 ways to differentiate a ship from a boat is size, travel, and cargo. First is size. Ships are much bigger than boats. Second is travel. Ships can only go into big bodies of water. Boats can go into smaller water, like lakes and rivers. Third is the amount of cargo. Ships are built to carry large amounts of people and cargo. Boats can only carry a handful. Hope you had fun!